Guess who's driving today?
Bro's driving.
No way, let's actually make sure he is driving. Yes, he is. Yes, a very good morning, everybody. Here we are on the road, indeed. And Bro is driving, as I said. Today, we're going to Newtyle to search for railway evidence. Oh, I know. How exciting is that? So, here we go. Have you?
10 years.
10 years of the jacket, it's anniversary. There's the boot. Right, Bro, what's happening?
I'm just getting sorted.
Okay. Indeed, folks, well, why Bro gets sorted. We're here in Newtyle. I met somebody in the music shop, Colin. Hello, Colin. He said, oh, hang on a minute. Oh, he said, he said, he said, he said, right, as I was saying, we're here. Colin,
right, folks, I'm okay.
Yeah, all right, sir. Yes. Colin he said he found a turntable to do with the Newtyle Railway, so we're going looking for that. There is Kinperney Hill. We've been up there, folks. It's a nightmare getting up there. Horrific. Here's the famous Bro microphone, the Hoover mic.
See, well, it works.
Yes, it does indeed, Bro. Excellent. Right, now up here we have a thing that says, actually tells you, it's very well signposted here in Newtyle about the railway walks and everything. Here we go, look. Railway walk, the Den and Kinperney Tower. So, we're going, a bit of a mud fest.
We'll have about 5 layers of clothes on.
Right, okay, will Bro fit through here? Let's see, will he fit through? Oh, he's in. Will I get through? Oh, no problem for me. Right, well, we think the turntable is up here somewhere. Yeah, we could have done, I know. But I was going to say here. Oh, here it is. Oh, yes. Now, this would have been an old turntable. Right, okay. Oh, yes, good find. Right. So, what we have here is an old turntable for the trains to turn around. It would have been like a bit of a terminus here. It would have come down and then had to turn around to maybe head off towards Meagle or head off back to Dundee. Would have come up here, turned around, and off they go. It's actually pretty big. There's just the concrete foundations really that you can see now. That's a shame. I thought the actual turntable itself might have been still there. We could have spun around in it, but no. So unfortunately, there's not too much to see, folks. It's just the circular thing off, and no sign of the railway or anything. So there's Bro doing his spizwiz off the turntable. But as you can see, the whole area is just totally overgrown. And there might be a shed or something here, just don't know. Well, another wee walk along here, see what's up here. Right, I've actually come up onto the old bed off the railway right here. Would have been one of the lines. We'll hopefully get a better view of the turntable when we're up here. Well, there it is, folks. Okay. Now here's another good name for our good name collection of roads. Bulb Farm Road. Now, there must be a bulb farm up there, I'd imagine. Yes. Right, here we are, folks. Look at this. Oh, this is excellent. We have the old Newtyle turnstile terminus. Excellent.
Turnstile terminus?
Is that, I don't know, was it a station?
Yeah, it was a station, yeah.
It was a station here. Oh, right, here we go. Bro's going in to do his spizwiz, folks. Check this out on the Facebook page, the Strange Places in Scotland Facebook page. Thank you. Ooh. So we're actually standing on a Newtyle platform at the station here, folks. This would have been the old area where the trains would come in and deposit all the day trippers, all the holiday makers from Dundee right here. And they would go for their stroll around Newtyle and then get back on the train again all the way back to Dundee. There we go. Here's the other side of the station. It's amazing how the building still survives, isn't it? Yeah, there we go then, folks. Bro seems to be caught in some sort of bus queue here. We're going on to Dundee. It's going to Dundee. There we go. Now, folks, Bro's got us on a wild goose chase looking for a standing stone.
I do think it's miles away.
Miles away, bro, is it? All right.
Miles away, right?
Right, we'll go and have a look at this stone. All right, hang on then. We'll cross back over again. Hang on. Post. Can you help us? What's happening here? All right, so it's over this way somewhere, is it? Bro's found something. What have we got here? Privy's Prap.
And Pictish stone.
Pre-Christian stone. Pictish stone, okay. Let's see what else we can find then. So there's confirmation. The Dundee Newtyle Railway opened 16th December 1831, the first dedicated passenger railway in Scotland. So there's an old kind of picture of it. Here's today's picnic, folks. We have ham, cheese and pickle sandwiches, a wee cup of coffee and some crisps, and we are at the Symbol Stone here. Look at that, what a view. Now, folks, here we are having our lunch.
Look, the return of the Spiz mug, folks. Look.
Very good. The strange thing is today, we made sandwiches up. We made exactly the same filling. I've got ham, cheese and pickle. What have you got, bro?
Ham, cheese, pickle. I've got some lettuce though as well.
Oh, I've got somebody has to go one better and get some lettuce. I know, look, it's weird, isn't it? Look. Synchronised sandwich making. Well, here we are, folks. We decided, after we've had our lunch here, we're going to go on a road trip up to the Reekie Linn to see the waterfall there. Now, bro makes good sandwiches, but his coffee is disgusting. Sorry, bro, it's yuck. It's not good at all, man.
Rude.
Well, very rude indeed, but no, not good. Sorry. Right, folks, while we're here, the Symbol Stone, here it is. Hello, Symbol Stone, how are you? Got to touch the Symbol Stone, there it is. So here we are at the Symbol Stone, folks. This Symbol Stone has got a couple of Pictish markings on it as the rain comes on. Hell's teeth, we're going to move on. It's got the dual rod and the double disc thing on it. Very worn out now, but this Symbol Stone's been here, so obviously since the Picts were here. Fantastic. And it's right in a really, really prominent position. It's got a great view. Just a kind of marker stone, I reckon. Just let everybody have a big meeting place. They all come here and they stand and they discuss local Pictish news and stuff, you know, back in the day. Wow. Right, here comes the rain though, folks. Typical. Right, well, there we are. That was the Symbol Stone. Now we're going to be heading away over there somewhere towards Meagle and Ailith, and we're going to be going to the Reekie Linn, which should be nice and full today. The waterfall, our favourite waterfall. Our bro's doing something funny. He's doing a druid dance or something. Well, folks, we have arrived here at, where are we, bro?
We're at the Reekie Linn.
The Reekie Linn. And we're hoping, the water looks quite high today. There's lots of white water already. We're hoping it's going to be really full and we're going to get some great footage here. But I have to be very careful. It's very slippy and leafy, so be careful, bro.
Leafy.
So already, oh, he's away already. What did I say? Be careful. So already we've got lots of white water here already, which is a good sign.
Well done.
Yeah, it's very muddy today. Oh God, look at it. Jeez, oh, freaky. Well, the path is horrifically muddy. So we're going to have to be very careful up here.
Very slippery.
Right, well already we can hear the water thundering, especially down there. Look at that, just down there. Whoa. Now normally I will, oh, I can see the spray already, bro. Wow, it's really thundering. Normally I would go down there, but I don't think so. Not today. I think we're just going to the path of least resistance and all that kind of stuff. But yes, already, look at that. Wow. So already it's thundering down there. Crikey. Bro, what are you doing? You're gonna have to be very careful here, bro. Goodness me. Oh. It's just a normal viewpoint. No.
No, it's really not here.
Oh. And over there is that, we tried to get there, there's a video of us getting into that little hut there. Wow. Awesome today. So it comes down here and then swings away around there. And even down there looks really overflowing today. Over there, look at that. Wow. Right folks, well there we are. The Reekie Linn is right behind us. Quite white and foamy and strong today. Excellent. Folks, amazing. Ready for this? Here it is. There we go, folks. Amazing. Well, there it is, the Reekie Linn, folks. It never fails to impress, and I really think it's one of Scotland's hidden gems. It doesn't really get the recognition that it deserves. I mean, look at that, it's absolutely in a wonderful setting, it's beautiful, and it's an easy access to get here. So there you go folks, the Reekie Linn, one of Scotland's best kept secrets, I would say.